afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are seeing this video from. Welcome to Great Trading Lab. Before we get started, kindly click on the subscription button, like and share this video. This is my outlook for the week. The trade I'll be looking at to enter for the week. First of all, some of the most of the trade I entered last week that hit SL but are still trying to give us entry, like USD CAD. We were on this trade on USD CAD, was expecting price to come down to this point, but price took us out and continued going up. So I'm expecting price to come back to this structure, and then so that we can sell from this point. Buy from this point, because we have the market on the uptrend and we will just follow the trend. So secondly will be Euro JPY. Euro JPY, we had the entry to for this week from this pair last week that we hit, take profit, we smash our TP. We're expecting price to retrace here, then we sell. So we sold off from here, but we didn't enter this trade last week, so I waited for a retracement back to this zone. So I'm looking for price to come down a little bit here, so that we can enter from here down to the downside, So that's what I'm looking for on Euro JPY. Then GBP CHF, I was also on the trade last week, but it stopped us out, and I was expecting price to just sell from here, but price didn't. So we are expecting a little bit of break here, and then a retracement to this structure point, to this zone, so that we can sell from there down to the downside. So I'll be looking out to enter from here, and then my stop loss will be exactly on the high. So this is my target for GBP CHF. Then AUD CHF, we are waiting for a change of structure on the 4 hours, and also a break and retest on the 4 hours to sell and also to buy. We are expecting we are going to sell this counter trend like from here, because we have a structure point here, a strong zone here, the market which here sold back down, here. So we are expecting a push to the downside, and then the continuation of the buy to the upside, because we have the market on the uptrend and we are trading a counter trend presently. So that is it for AUD CHF. We just wait for a reversal candlestick on the 4 hours, and then we enter somewhere around this point. Around that point. So also AUD USD, we're on the trade last week, and I think this was our TP for last week. So I'll be expecting the market to continue to the upside, because on the daily we broke a new resistance. But better still, I'm not just going to jump into this AUD USD buy continuation, because we may also expect a retracement back to this point here before the buy continue to the upside. But why I'm looking out to enter from here is because price broke out from this structure point, so I'm expecting price to go up to the upside from here, also from the 4 hours, price to go up to the upside. So if we don't see a buy from here, then we'll be expecting a buy from this point. So it just depends on how the market open from tomorrow Monday. Then we are going to know the direction of AUD. We are going to know the direction of AUD USD. So let's go to NZD USD. NZD USD 2. I'm also expecting a retracement down to this zone here. This structure is pretty much exactly like the structure of AUD USD. So I think we'll just wait for a retracement down here to the support zone, then we buy somewhere from here, because the market have come down here the first time. He didn't buy, he bought up a little, then came back again the second time. So it didn't still go up the way it was supposed to go from here. So we're having a retracement again back to this zone. Then with the buy continuation from here, I think my SL will be somewhere here, and then I'll be targeting the high 1:3 on this move. So that is it also for NZD USD. Let me go to Euro CHF before we jump into BTC. Euro CHF, we are also expecting price to go to give us a reversal candlestick from here so that we can enter the sell. But we are going to enter the sell somewhere around here, so that we just have price leave the zone and just give us the strong sell bearish signal, then we can enter the market from this point. But for now, we will just be waiting for a reversal candlestick, or just a move something like this to the downside, then we can enter from here. I think this is one of the trades I will be looking at to enter from. This is one of the trades I'll be looking at to enter from next week, because I think the structure is very clear and very clear. So we'll just be waiting for this structure. So I'm going to push this to the upside. Just push this as my first lookout. So BTC USD. So this is BTC USD, and we are still expecting BTC USD to go up to 125k soon. So we are still holding this position on BTC USD. So if you want to get signal like this, weekly signals, because I trade swing trade, so if you want to get weekly signals like this, you can just click on the Telegram link and you can see it on the screen. I drop trade like this and also entry like this on the Telegram group. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video. Thank you.